That was groovy, yeah.
What did you do? I missed it.
Oh, I did some fun different things.
That's really fun,
Jenny did some fun and different things. That's what Atlanta brings to us. We end up doing fun and different things. Fun and different things that we won't tell you what they are. We'll just imply that we've done fun and different things. For some reason, when you say it in that context, it takes on a different connotation.
It's mysterious, Jim.
Backstage, we were doing fun and different things. It's fun to have Becky Stark and Sherry Warden on the road. They do fun and different things. But you do it with that kind of like, you know, 50-yard stare. They do fun and different things. We'll work on that.
That's a good idea.
Okay. Somebody okay?
Was our banter hurting anyone?
Are you feeling all right back there? Are they serving you drinks? All right, this is a song. Here we go.